Hey guys, Hidden Abilities here, and welcome back to another episode of How to Make a Shooter. Now, I did not actually design any boss music as of yet. If I do that, it'll probably be the last thing. I don't know. But anyways, let's continue by making, the boss HP bar. BTXT for boss text. We don't need that yet though, so boss HP bar. Make an actor called boss HP bar. Get a canvas and make it about the same as the players was. Yeah, about there. In case you want to increase your HP bar or not. So with that, type in boss. I'm not down there, obviously. Okay, right here. Now, as you can see, hold on. Okay, make that make the parent the view again. Same thing with this. Make the parent the view. The view. Where's the view? Where are you, view? There you are. Jeez, dude, my eyes are burning, man. I recorded so many episodes all at one time in the middle of the night. Okay, you know he doesn't have a bar yet. That's what you do there. Go to draw actor. And here we go. Now, you don't gotta worry about anything because we're actually gonna make this appear when the boss appears. So yeah, this is gonna be quite interesting to say the very least. Alright. And we're actually gonna have it fill up too. Yeah. We're actually gonna have the boss HP bar fill up. Sweetness, this is gonna be neat. Okay, where do I get started at? I'm trying to think. Okay. So we got I and we got I2. They're each actor variables. I believe they are. I want to say they are. Yep, they're both actors. Okay. Whoa. They're both reals? Okay. Okay, so let's begin. Erase 0001 to clear the canvas. For I equals 0, I is less than head dot. Well, okay. I is less than 500. We have to make the other bar first, anyways. The darker bar. I plus plus. So here we go with that. And that is, let's see, gray. So set pen 50 50 50 0 1. Move to I and 0. Line to I and height -1. Or just height, doesn't matter. Okay. So there's that. For I2 equals 0, I2 is less than head.hp I2 plus plus. Set pen 255 0 0 wait 0 0. Oh, and if you want the gradient at HP bar 1, you would do it like this. Hold on, I'll show you. I2, and I'll show you how it looks. Wait, 0, dang it, 1. Okay, move to I2, 0. Line to I2, height -1. So now we go back up here and make the black border. Set pen 00001 and move to 00. Line 2. Okay, yeah, line 2. 0 height -2. Line 2 width. Wait, no. 500 height -2. Line 2 500 0. Line 2 0 0. Alright, so I'll show you how the gradient looks. But it gets too okay, I2 divided by 2. That's what you would do there. I2 divided by 2 for the color. Now you can have a gradient bar. If you ever wanted a gradient bar. See how fast the HP goes down? Man, I'll tell you what. You have that shotgun, man. You tear them up. Quick. Okay. So, let's just actually have the default color, which is red for us. Oh yeah, and we wanted it transparent, didn't we? 0.25 for transparency. Same thing with this. 0.25. No, not the border. But the first one. The gray part. Make that also transparent. Causing laggy. All this drawing on the screen. Alright, now go here. Go to Create Actor. And this time go to Visibility State. And disable it. Well, you know what? Hold on. Hang on. If SC is less than head.hp. What am I doing? SC plus plus. Well, plus equals 25 again. Else if SC, well, let's not get, okay, let's use else. Else if SC is less than, or greater than, or equal to, no, just greater than, head.hp, SC minus minus. Okay, now that'll actually cause it to smoothly go down again. This long as we use this. Wait, we need to. Okay. Okay. SC and SC. SC is less than I2 instead, because I2 is already read by the boss's HP. So we're just going to read this through the I2 variable. Now, it should be counting up. I have no idea why it's not, but, okay, oh, that's why, alright. SC is an actor variable now. Okay, I'm trying to figure out something. I was trying to have the HP bar animatedly go up, so maybe we have to do it like this. What was I on IT? Okay, let's try it. Okay, then let's try this. Wait a minute. Oh, get this. Then how? Hold on. I gotta look at how I did it for this one. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna figure this out real quick. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I figured it out. See how it says if I or S? Okay, right here. Instead of that, type in SC. And if SC is less than head.hp, SC is less than head.hp or greater than, whatever. And that should do it. Yep, there we go. Now it's animated. Alright, let's go 5. Alright, so now to fix it to where the, you know, this gets created only when the boss enters the screen. Well, first off, go here, create actor for him, and make him disabled as well for the startup. As you can see, they won't start up at all. So now, go to wings. Wait. There are wings. Go to your head actor, go to draw actor, and this part right here, where change the Y velocity and all that, also do this. Variables and functions. Variable or visibility state. Boss HP bar, enable, and visibility state again, but replace this, and go to actors, by the way, to get a quick list of the actors. Replace the second one, where it says boss HP bar, with BTXC, and enable them. So now, go back to your create actor, and get rid of the Y screen equals 240 part. And now let's play through our level, and test our boss. Yes, we are chronically lagging. Jeez, man, this is too laggy. Hang on, I gotta do something about this. Game it. Here we are. High priority. Now, this may cause lag in the recording, and if so, I apologize. Yeah, it's causing a little lag in the recording. Sorry about that. For some reason, something is just eating up the processing here, man. This is ridiculous. I noticed our HP goes over the limit too. And it's over time, whatever's causing this lag. See, it'll start smooth. What the F? Hang on, does E-Shot get destroyed after out of view? Yeah, out of vision destroy actor. Something in this is actually causing... okay, you know what? Let's just do it this way. If boss dot... Wait, if head dot T equals 1, then it does all this crap. But either way, we're still going to have to find a way to prevent it from causing massive lag. Or is it even that that's causing lag? If it is that that's causing lag, I don't understand it. Okay. It was that. That was causing lag for some reason. I have to figure that out. Wow. This is ridiculous, man. Oh yeah, we're getting tons of HP ups. Sorry for the lag again, guys. And yeah, we're gonna fix that whole problem with the original coins making your HP bounce over the limit and then back to normal. Dude, yay! Getting so much power ups, man. Amazing. You know, my points. Oh yeah. Woohoo! So much power up. Our HP is insane now. So donkeys. See? The HP bar causes lag. There's an error in the programming of the HP bar. I must find whatever this error is and fix it. Is less than... Which is less than SC. SC is greater than... Okay, okay, let's get rid of the else if. That should work. And I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna figure everything out before I start recording again. Alright, guys. I'm back. And what I did this time, well, I copied and pasted the code from our HP bar and just modified it a little bit. And just kind of, what I really mainly changed was max HP. All the values that said max HP, I just changed them to 500. And where it said player.hp, I just changed it to head.hp. That should work. That should not cause lag now, guys. It really shouldn't. I don't know what was wrong with my other code, but I just could not figure that out. So, I mean, I tried everything. And it looks like we're going to experience lag again. Yeah, there was like a random enemy bullet that just stayed there. It was like floating. Okay, something is honestly going wrong. Something is just not right. The HS variable, is that... It's a global again. That's what was causing the dang lag. Integer and actor variable. That's what caused everything. Oh man, at least I think. That would be the only thing that makes sense to me, would be that. Got a power up in the first... Yes! Cheerio! So yeah, after this test, regardless if it works or not, we're going to fix the metal glitch. Or it restores HP, even though you're full on HP. Heck yes. Give me my medals. I really like the flamethrower, dude. They're really neat. Not a bad HP either for the boss. Watch how he gets creative. See there? Yes! There we go, guys. And he gets freaking wrecked with these things. Look at that. I mean, he just gets destroyed, so we need to actually change... Hold on. Go to head before we fix the other things. Okay, and then that's when his HP gets set to 500 right here. That's when his HP gets set to 500. And remove that part from create actor. Alright, yeah. So anyways. You know what? I'm actually going to have the... let's actually make the visibility part pop up when... we're actually going to make the... Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. And as I was saying... What was I saying? Oh, yes. We're actually going to make the HP bar pop up, you know, when he enters the screen. Okay, is greater than 320. Well, hang on. If Y screen is greater than 160, so... Actually, wait. We're gonna... Okay, yeah, okay, never mind. Dang it. Alright. If Y screen is greater than 0, that's when he enables them. And sign, you know, the two and things. And T is equal to 0. Now go back to our medals before we do our final test before the end of this episode. And the medal, go to collision, the script editor part, the part that adds HP plus 5. We're going to add an if statement here. If player.HP is less than HP max. Wait. Minus 5. If, yeah, there we go. And that's how you would determine. Less than HP max. Well, no, it's just less than HP max. We don't need to say minus 5. And then end that off. And now we're gonna do our final test. We're gonna see how this goes. Spraying. Oh yeah, power up already. Stun wave. When you get a power up at the beginning of this, it's just wreckage. Three lives. I don't think anybody can die on this level, literally. Unless you have like freaking 3 shots and you're dead. Or just 1 shot. You know, the traditional classic 1-shot kill. Or even lower the amount of HP you get from a medal. I think it's too easy. I think this is incredibly easy, but hey, aren't first levels always easy? Come on, got another power up. There we go. 1 HP. Yay. So here comes the boss, and there's his HP bar. You can't damage him yet, and it rises up. How cool is that? But unfortunately, this just destroys the crap out of him, so... We're actually going to do one more thing before I end the recording. Go back to your head actor, go to the collision, and instead of HP minus equals 3, just minus again. Equals 1. So in other words, you're doing 5 damage per actual hit. So we need to go back to the rear view and unlock these actors so I don't accidentally move them one day. Alright, so go back to your boss HP bar. Go draw, and then where it says plus equals 5, yeah, you might as well say plus equals 10. Or no, it doesn't have to be like that. Okay, minus equals 2, because you're just about always going to do 2 damage. You know. We got a little problem. Here, we can just do this. If HS is less than head.HP and HS is greater than head.HP plus or minus 5. Wait, I confused myself. Okay, if it's less than HP... I just lost my train of thought. Minus equals 2, plus equals 10. That way, that way it's a division of 2, so therefore. Yeah, alright, one more test and then we are done with this episode. 20 minutes already, this has been my longest episode yet. Well, for testing purposes, we could just bring the boss here, but why not? You probably can't even see the gameplay when I change the priority. I apologize if that happened. Oh yeah, we're getting power up on the Yin Yang. Our HP is going to be up there. Hopefully we get more. The cool thing is, like, if you really want to go wicked mad with the power-ups, you can, and you can have your HP just like bust out of the view. Yay! Oh yeah, chaining them down. That flamethrower dude is dangerous, man. If you don't have a power-up, you're pretty much screwed. If you don't have the power-up, this game becomes really challenging. I think our power-up is a little too intense. And yeah, we got a shaking HP bar, so I know exactly why. Okay, I understand this now. Let me do this one little concept first. I gotta figure this part out. So it's plus equals 2, so if HS is greater than head.hp, you know, if it's more than, and HS is less than head.hp plus 5. Wait, how does this make any sense? If it's greater than HP... Wait, if it's greater than HP... Okay, I'm starting to figure this out. If it's greater than HP plus 10... Let's change this to head HP minus 10. Dang. HS minus minus, you know, equals 1 instead. Now I actually am going to use direct testing for this one, you know. So I'm going to go to the boss or the head, go to create actor, we'll use direct testing method. Y screen equals 160. Okay, we got another glitch. Okay, it's 320. This is 320. I know I said I was going to stop this recording, but dang, I want to figure this out before I do. So go back to... You know what? I actually will fix it. I'll fix it, and we'll fix it next time. See you guys later. Peace.